Good morning, friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel of Gyanvanti Model English School. Today we are going to start chapter number 5 of Maths, Metric Measures Capacity. In previous video, you have done exercise 5.1. Convert liter milliliter to milliliter and with examples. Yes, student. And exercise 5.2. Convert milliliter to liter and milliliters. Okay. Question number 1 to 3. Today we will start from question number 4. Exercise 5.2. Okay. Question number 4. Write in liter and milliliters. So students, take out your notebook, pencil and note down. Exercise 5.2. Page number 160. Write in liters and milliliters. 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 Okay. फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चंस आप प्रीवियस वीडियो में कर चुके हैं. यस स्टूडेंट. सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 8494 मिलीलीटर. 8494 मिलीलीटर. लीटर, milliliter. Okay student. Milliliter student. See here, milliliter is lower unit. So student, to convert from lower unit to higher unit, so we will divide. हम क्या करेंगे? Divide करेंगे. Okay. So first of all we will write formula 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. So first we will multiply of 8 by 1000. So we get answer 8000. Okay. So we will write here 8000 divided by 1000. Okay friends. Liter. Next, plus 494 milliliter. 494 milliliter. Now we will do divide. 1000 divided by 8000. So it will become 8 liter. 8 liter plus 494 milliliter. Okay. Next, 8 लीटर. स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स में प्लस को हम क्या कर देंगे? रिमूव करके ओनली 494 मिलीलीटर का यूनिट यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. 494 मिलीलीटर. सो आवर आंसर इज 8 लीटर 494 मिलीलीटर. लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट सम. 3505 milliliter is equal to liter and milliliter. Okay. So first we will write formula student. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Next, then we will convert or multiply of 3 by 1000. So we get answer 3000. So we will write here 3000. Okay, next divide by 1000. Now we will convert liter. Okay, milliliter to liter. Next, plus 505 milliliter. 505 milliliter. आप इसको डिवाइड करके भी आप कर सकते हैं. मैंने प्रीवियस लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट 1000 डिवाइड बाय 3000. So we will become 3 liter. 3 liter plus 505 milliliter. Next step, 3 liter divide plus को रिमूव कर देंगे, then 505 milliliter. Okay, so 3 liter 505 milliliter. Okay, student. So please, student, note down these sums. Have you written it, students? Now we will do next sums. Next sums is 6. Six 5824 milliliter is equal to liter, then milliliter. Okay, so milliliter, to convert milliliter to liter and millimeter, we will divide by thousands. Okay, so first we will write formula. 1000 is equal to 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So first we will convert multiply of 5 by 1000. So we get answer 5000. We will write here 5000 milliliter divided by 1000 milliliter. Okay, now we will convert 5000 divided by 5000 liter plus 824 milliliter. 824 milliliter. Okay, student. Next, divide. Now we do divide. 1000 divided by 5000, student. So it will become next 5 liter plus 824 milliliter. Now we do next steps. 5 liter and plus we will remove and 824 milliliter. So we get answer 5 liter 824 milliliter. Okay, student. Please, student, note down. Have you written, student? Now we will move on next exercise 5.3. 3. Okay, student. So, question number 1. Add the following. Question number 1. Add the following. Question number 1 is student A already solved in your term book. Yes, student. So we will start from question number 1B. Liter and milliliter. First of all, we will write here units, liter, milliliter. 6 liter, 345 milliliter. 6 liter, 345 milliliter. 4 liter, 789 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Okay, so first of all, we will addition start from right side. Okay, right side से हम start करते हैं. 5 plus 9 is student 14. So we will write here 4 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we will write here 3 and carry over 1 to the next column. 3 plus 7 is student 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So we will write here 1 and carry over 1 to the next column. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is student 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So we will write here 11. Okay, student. So our answer is 11 liter 134 milliliter. Now let us see next sum. C. Liter, milliliter. 7 liter 980 milliliter. 7 liter 980 milliliter. Next 3 liter 426 milliliter. 426 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Here is 0 here. 0 plus 6 is 6. So we will write here 6. 8 plus 2 is student 10. So we will write here 0 and carry over 1 to the next column. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So we will write here 4 and carry over 1 to the next column, that is liter. Okay, friend. Then 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So we will write here 11. So we get answer is student 11 liter 406 milliliter. Next. D. Liter, milliliter. Okay, 8 liter 300, 8 liter 345 milliliter. Next 2 liter 591 milliliter. Now we will do addition both unit. Okay, दोनों यूनिट का हम क्या करेंगे? एडिशन करेंगे. Okay, next 5 plus 1 is 6. So we will write here 6. Then 4 plus 9 is 13. So we will write here 13. Carry over 3 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next 3 plus 5 is student 8 and 1 plus 9. So we will write here 9. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write here 10. So we get answer is 10 liter 936 milliliter. Okay, student. Please student note down. Now we do addition. Okay, student. 7 plus 2 is student. 7 plus 2, 7 is 8, 9. So we will write here 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. So we will write here 8. 8 plus 6 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we will write here 4 and carry our 1 to the next column. Next, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So we will write here 10. Okay. So we get answer is 10 liter 489 milliliter. Next is add. Liter, milliliter. 5 liter 391 milliliter. 4 liter 734 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. We will write here 5. 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. So we will write here 2 and carry our 1 to the next column. Then 6, 3 plus 7 is 7. 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So we will write here 1 and carry over 1 to the next column. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will write here 10. So we get answer is student 10 liter 125 milliliter. Let us see next sum. Next sum is G. Liter, milliliter. 8 liter 246 milliliter. Next 4 liter 369 milliliter. Okay, now we do addition. Both units. 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9 is 15. Yes, student. 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will write here 5. Carry over 1 to the next column. Then 4 plus 6, 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So we will write here 1. Carry over 1 to the next column. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8, 1 is 6. So we will write here 6. Then 8 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will write here 12. So we get answer is student 12 liter 650 milliliter. Okay. Now let us see next sum. Next sum is H. Liter, milliliter. 6 liter 123 milliliter. Next 9 liter 456 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Okay, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is student. 6 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. क्या आएगा 9. We will write here 9. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. So we will write here 7. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. So we will write here 5. 6 plus 9 is 15. So we will write here 15. So we get answer is 15 liter 579 milliliter. Okay, student. Note down, student, all of these sums. liter, milliliter. 5 liter, 789 milliliter. 3 liter, 101 milliliter. Now we will do addition. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will write here 0 and carry over 1 to the next column. Then 8 plus 0 is 8 as it is. Yes student. Then 8 plus 1 is carry का भी 1 ज्ञात करेंगे तो 9. We will write here 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will write here 8. 5 plus 3 is 5 so 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8. So we get answer is 8 liter 890 milliliter. Next, let us see next sums. J. Liter, milliliter. 9 liter, 912 milliliter. Next, 5 liter, 813 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 8 student 9 and 8. ये ग्रेटर नंबर है इसलिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. 9 plus 8 is 9. 8 it means 17. So we will write here 7 and carry over to the next column. Then 9 plus 5 is student 9 plus 5 is 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15. So we will write here 15. So we get answer is student 15 liter 725 milliliter. Next, K. Liter, milliliter. Okay, 8 liter 634 milliliter. Next, 6 liter 735 milliliter. Now we will do addition. Okay, 4 plus 5 is student 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 9. 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write here 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So we will write here 3 and carry over 1 to the next column, that is liter. 8 plus 6 is student 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we will write here 15. So our answer is 15 liter 6369 milliliter. Let us see. This question is last sums L. इस क्वेश्चन का लास्ट सम है ये L लीटर एंड मिलीलीटर. 7 liter 865 milliliter. Then 7 liter 956 milliliter. Now we do addition. What you need? Yes, student. So first 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 student 11. So we will write here 1 and carry over 1 to the next column, that is milliliter 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then 11 plus 1 is 12. So we will write here 2 and carry over 1 to the next column, that is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So we will write here 8 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we will write here 15. Yes student. So we get answer is, क्या है answer? We get answer 15 liter 821 milliliter. Okay student. So please students note down all of these sums in your textbook. 5.3. Remaining question number 2, we will do in next video. Okay, student, add and then convert to liter and milliliter. Okay, student, homework note down. Today's homework is exercise 5.2. Homework. Exercise 5.2. Question 4, 5 and 6. Solve in textbook. Solve in notebook. That exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Question number 1. B2L. B2L. Solve in textbook. Solve in textbook. Okay, student. Homework. Exercise 5.2. Question number 5. 4, 5 and 6 solve in notebook. Exercise 5.3. Question number 1. B2L solve in textbook. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.